What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2026 Nissan Sentra. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Now what we need to do is fold this glove box down, and there's two stops that are preventing it from coming down. One right here that I'm touching with my finger, and there's another one just like it on that side of the glove box. So what I'm going to do in order to get this to fold down is I'm going to push in towards the center of the glove box like this. So push in. As you can see, it gives that stop just a little bit of room to clear. If you have both your hands free, it's really easy to do these both at the same time. Same thing over here. I'll pull or push towards the center. And then once we get that glove box folded down and we take a look back in here, this is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And on the left-hand side here, there's this latch. I'm just going to get a finger around like this and pull off. Once we get our filter door off, we see our actual filter right here. This filter will just slide out of here like this. Now, when you put your new filter in, what you need to pay attention to is the airflow arrow right here. You want your airflow arrow pointing down towards the ground. So slide our new filter in again with that airflow arrow pointing down. So slide that all the way in like that, and then we can reverse everything we just did to close it up. So I'm going to grab the filter door right here. And there was that tab we grabbed on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side you see there's those two tabs right there. Those are just going to slide in like that, and they fit right in there. And then we're going to go ahead and close this. And this can take a good amount of pressure to lock that into place. So just make sure you have that snapped all the way shut. And then we're just going to pick up the glove box until those two stops clear. Like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.